Hey adventurers, it is that time again. Yes, this is our other issue of Edge of Space missions for Stem to Bloom. That's the first one that we showed you, and it is time for another update from the flight of the Great Pumpkin. Last time we had an 8-week, which was really 7.5. We were a few days early on 8 weeks. We are now at 10.5 weeks. This is the longest we have kept an experiment, but this one is absolutely too fun. If you remember, the Great Pumpkin was a little pumpkin gourd just like this, and it was a little bit smaller than this, but not quite this small. But we've been using the same color one to show you our control group. Really hard to find two identical pumpkins. We'll be trying harder again next year. You let me know if you guys find two identical mini pumpkins. But I'm going to pause right here because I'm going to show you what we showed you at 8 weeks last time, which was really about 7.5 for the update of our mini pumpkin that flew to space and froze around half of it. Now, are you ready? I know you're ready. Look at that. It is so small. Even the good side of the pumpkin is now dried out and wrinkly, and some of the mold has been wiped off. There's still a whole bunch. Take a look at that on the bottom. And then look how much it has sunken in where the stem is. If you can see that 3D, look at how much it is sunken in right there. In comparison, take a look. It was just a little bit smaller than this, and this is what it looks like now. In addition, remember, this one at 10.5 weeks, still very fresh, not even getting soft here at the bottom. Just barely right now today, actually. Just barely getting soft, but still looks like a beautiful little pumpkin. This is our comparison, and still sounds like a pumpkin. What about this one? This sounds like you're tapping on a little piece of wood or on the table. It is now hollow and empty. So maybe when we are all done, I think we're going to do one more update on this. Maybe we will cut it open and see what's happening inside of here versus inside of here. This is how cool science experiments can be, especially if you keep watching them over time.